Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Facebook code generator. So Facebook code generator is a security feature in the Facebook app that provides two-factor authentications or 2FA codes when logging in from a new device. So if you have 2FA enabled, you need this code to access your account. So if you want to use code generator in Facebook app, you can just follow this step. You can open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and then find the settings on and privacy. Click on your photo at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy and find the code generator options. So after that, a 6-digit security code will appear. It refreshes every 30 seconds, so you can just enter this code when prompted on the Facebook login page. So use this method if you're trying to log in on another device but still have access to your Facebook app. You can also get a code via SMS. If you can access the code generator, you can request a login code via SMS. So what you need to do is just select send a code via SMS to your registered phone number. And after that, check your phone for the 6-digit code enter in the login page. You can use this method if your Facebook app is not accessible but your phone number is linked. You can also use backup codes if you save them. So Facebook provide backup codes when you enable 2FA. If you save them, you can locate backup codes, usually save in your phone or written down, and use any unused backup code to log in. If successful, you can go to the settings, security, and generate new backup codes. Or you can also log in from a recognized device. If you previously log in into Facebook from another device, you can open Facebook on the device where you are logged in. Go to settings and find the login option. And 2FA, you can disable or update 2FA if needed. So in here, the 2FA is under the privacy center. You can scroll down and tap on the manage your accounts, and here click on the password and security, and you can see the 2FA in here. Choose your Facebook account and then you can disable or enable the codes. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.